Hi, I'm Ramsey Jamul, the CEO of Unified. Through virtual and on-site competitions, we're unifying aspiring champions. We're creating esports experiences and unifying players in this great industry that's massively growing. In 2021, League of Legends was the most popular esport with over 150 million viewers. And our team is incredibly passionate about esports, just like League of Legends and other video games. And we're here delivering great virtual competitions and great on-site experiences through multitude of products. In the first quarter, we had 8 events and hosted over 40,000 attendees with over 34,000 broadcasted views. This year, we're expecting to do over 25 events, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. We have great partners helping us host, like Riot Games, and hardware partners that supply great licensing and hardware for our players to use, so that they can be part of a great pipeline. Just like this one, where we work with Riot Games to produce 80% of North America's best developed talent, that they can go pro and provide content for spectators. And we do that by bringing people together with engaging activities, and we can do that for your brand as well. We bring people together on our great stage experiences and the opportunity to win cash and prizes. And this demo is 18 to 35-year-olds, gamers, and players that bring out their spectators and fans alike. Now this is 300 to 500 audience members that we can bring that produce over 50,000 in income on average and have great buying opportunity with your brand. We keep them with engaging activities, and this is done by fulfilling their aspirations and getting them on stage and helping them grow as a player. But ultimately, we're providing great experiences that engage their activations that makes conversions for your brand. And we do this by turnkeying everything from A to Z and handling all of the stress-free questions by providing a great on-site and virtual live production for your engaged fans. We're giving them the opportunity to have professional, safe, and structured competitions, putting them on stage to give them the recognition and visibility they deserve, and ultimately helping them grow as a player and in their careers. This is a perfect opportunity for you to engage with these gamers and bring them out to your location. If you would like to work with us on hosting an esports festival, please contact us at contact@unified.gg and set up a meeting with us today. Thank you very much.